Hello everyone, it's the Friday 13th and I think I'm going to do a bit of vlogging because the news is that my job has been closed for 2 weeks and we're getting keys today to the house. I know, Friday 13th. So I hope you're going to enjoy because we're going to be busy, and I think to show you snips here and there what I'm doing because I will have loads of free time now. Rocking my light and twig shawl, so don't forget there's a cowl going on, link down below. 2 cows, and it's just a headband that I just pop in because I do have a few interesting stories in regards to how everything went into this moment or came to this moment. But if you have experience buying a house and there are quite interesting stories that you now can laugh about, write down below. Share. Let's share our knowledge and experience in this matter. So now, even though we're heading, I have a knitting with me. We shall see will I knit or not. Quite excited. But definitely soon on this channel we're going to have a free step-by-step tutorial how to knit mitten. There is a video on the screen, and the link down below of that video you can find to LoveCrafts and Ravelry if you want to just grab it and knit it. I'm going to just do a small add some information and a link to the step-by-step tutorial inside that pattern, so in case you want to follow it up, do, because there's more information over there and more interesting things that I'm telling you about. So cheating stuff that I do sometimes, so quite interesting. Have a look if it's on the channel. Second of all, what's going on? I think I will have some time to correct my pattern, and the sock pattern on the screen I showed you in the last episode 95, and the test knitters are already ready, but I'm just so all over the place to send the pattern, so it will take a while, but they're so much a forgiving and amazing group that we share not only knitting over that. Let me tell you, if you test knit with me, just be aware, it's just more of a knit night group than test knit group, but it is a test knit group, let's face it. If you ever wonder how the buses in Ireland looks like, so this is one of them. Steps first. Drive in, and this is the house. It's little tiny old cottage style. So here is the area that I'm planning to have some trees, some veggies, because you know I love it. Probably I'll show you in a while. We have stairs. In a while. The old tunnel that was broken, so I presume here, although this is the best flat area, so we shall see. We have this amazing view and the barking dog, as you can hear, but we like dogs. So here it is, little tiny and ours. Here we have steps, so we can have a lovely area for knitting and stuff, but we shall see. We would want to have a studio for Seb for painting, and here's another area with lovely stones and little bits. So here how it looks. How do you like it? Let me know. Now, if you gardeners, my mom probably is watching this, check this out. Hopefully my cousin is watching it because she's also lovely gardening things, so this area, it's for you, hopefully. So figure out what we can do. This is a sewage system. And we have this little bit over here too. For instance, check it out. This is a fence and this is a hedge, right? There is still area over here that could be done. So I'm thinking, like, you know, wildflowers and stuff for bees. To make it more friendly and stuff. We shall see how it goes. And check this out. I'm walking and I'm not soaking. I know my, you know, shoes are wet, but guys, this is unbelievable. Tour of the house. So this is kerosene, and this is one thing, heater. Don't know, have you seen anything? I didn't. Very narrow. Sideways. And we have a shed.
And in the shed, oh, they cleaned up nicely. Let's use the entrance. Yuki? So we're walking in, and on the left you could use our bathroom with a shower and a bath and a sink and a radiator. And I love these tiles. And I so love it that it's up to the ceiling so you can wash them all. So nice. On the left, you have a living room. The ceiling is quite low. And it's tiny little thing. Such a look, Seb. Look at Seb. And look where his head is. Seb, no, don't jump. He's 182. Now, we were in the kitchen, but this is official entrance. So this is empty here. These things. And here. And then we have another room. And over here, this is the room. And we got some old furnitures. They left it. Fancy, fancy, I would say, I think. I don't know why. And then we have some old... So this is a boiler. So water and everything here. And here is another one. And it looks like this. Just saying, it's probably like a wardrobe thing. Now also be aware there is a step over here. And here is this little thing. Very tiny. Like my chest level. Now let's go upstairs and notice that the ceiling is going lower. There's another thing that we can hide. Okay, you want to show it? No, you really have to go down. And we have one room, and this is going to be our bedroom, I presume. It's quite big now when I'm looking at it, to be honest.
So I was thinking put the window somewhere there.
You want to put a window over there? Okay, we shall see how it goes. And there are some things over here. Yeah, there is some space. Yeah, but I would completely take it out. The doors are very heavy and the humidity gathers over there, so it could be we will have more space, Seb says. Yeah, we're going to definitely take that down. And switches, there's loads of switches over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 switches. Now the last but not least, another room. Oh, they left us those beds. This is it. You can comfortably stand here. So now check it out, this is my height. So we have to go down. But the upstairs is only for us, so I should be okay. And here is the stove. Now check out those ceilings. This is my hand. Probably sit over here.